Hi, this is Kelly, and I am standing in front of my rhododendron, and the whole thing is humming right now. There are lots of bees visiting this rhododendron. We have several rhododendrons here at our home, but this one is by far the largest. It is very big. A couple years ago, I read an article in a newspaper about a couple who had gotten married, and they had just enough money when they bought their home after they got married to go and purchase 2 rhododendron. And they purchased them from Musser's Nursery. The bumblebees are loving this bush. They purchased 2 of them from Musser's. They did not have enough money to purchase more than that. So the person working at Musser's gave them a tip. They told them, if you lay a branch that's close to the ground, without breaking the branch, you lay it down to the ground, cover it with dirt, and put a rock on top of that, eventually it will grow roots and start a new plant. And they did that, and they did it repeatedly. And it eventually turned into a bush that's probably twice the size of this one. Of course, it's made of many different plants, but it started with just 2 small ones. And it's a popular spot for prom photos and wedding photos. People just stop at their house because it's so beautiful and ask if they could get their pictures taken in front of it, and they oblige. And I thought that was nice that the newspaper did an article about that. With all the bad news on television and in the newspaper today, I thought that that was very nice. The rhododendrons, they come in a variety of colors. We have mostly this light purple. However, we do have 50 very small, probably about 4 to 6 inch tall, Lee's dark purple rhododendrons started in pots. We're still keeping an eye on them and keeping them kind of in an area with dappled sunlight so they don't get scorched by the sun, allowing them to get rainwater, and maintaining a moist soil. Of course, it's well drained. We use our own potting mix, which will, give them moisture, but not flood them to the point that their roots will rot. And rhododendrons make a great privacy fence as well once they get big enough, because they stay evergreen. They don't lose their leaves in the winter. Now, the deer usually leave this one alone. They don't munch on it a whole lot, but I do have another one that they do like to eat. We probably could sprinkle some cayenne pepper or wrap a fence or bird netting or something around the bottom of it to protect it, but we haven't done that. And it's still a pretty large plant, and they haven't done that much damage to the point that, we've had to go to those lengths. But I enjoyed this rhododendron very much. There's a little inset into this one that doesn't quite get as much sun as the other parts that stick out. And this area, all of the flowers are still, most of them, are still in bud form and just starting to open. Now, we have gone inside this bush before, and it's like a little secret garden room in here. It's really neat. We found a few suckers that we were able to dig up and repot. But this is one of our many beautiful rhododendrons. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.